Simplified AI and later AI. So let's get started. First, I'm going to give you a very detailed yet easy way to understand the difference and the similarities between them. So when it comes to, I'm going to give the categories and then I'll tell you their differences and similarities. So let's start with core philosophy. When it comes to core philosophy, simplified AI solves narrow, predefined tasks with fixed rules, while later AI achieves general purpose, context-aware intelligence. When it comes to approach, simplified AI uses a rule-based system, symbolic logic, simple ML actually, while later AI does deep learning, transformer-based architectures, reinforcement learning. When it comes to architecture, simplified AI uses decision trees, SVMs, naive bias. When it comes to later AI, uses GPT, that's example, ChatGPT, Dell, Gemini, Cloud, AlphaFold. And when it comes to training, simplified AI uses task-specific, small curated datasets, while later AI is trained on massive, diverse, and often unlabeled data. And when it comes to adaptability, simplified AI has low adaptability and has a fixed behavior, while later AI has high adaptability and generalizes across tasks. When it comes to context awareness, simplified AI is minimal, while later AI has strong contextual understanding and reasoning. When it comes to language skills, simplified AI has basic parsing or keyboard matching, while later AI uses natural conversation, reasoning, summarization, and translation. When it comes to vision capabilities, simplified AI uses basic pattern recognition, for example OCR, while later AI uses advanced image, video understanding, and generation. When it comes to creativity, simplified AI uses none or template-based when it comes to creativity, while later actually generates text, art, music, and code creatively. When it comes to autonomy, simplified AI has fixed decision trees. It has no real autonomy, while later AI can perform tasks independently in complex environments. Simplified AI when it comes to customer service is has rule-based chatbots, e.g. FAQ bots, while later AI uses dynamic AI assistants, for example, ChatGPT, in customer support. When it comes to healthcare, simplified AI uses expert systems for diagnostics, while later AI uses predictive models, personalized medicine, and drug discovery. When it comes to finance, you can use simplified AI for fraud detection using fixed rules, while later AI uses AI-driven trading, credit scoring, and forecasting. When it comes to marketing, simplified AI uses rule-based targeting, while later AI uses generative context and personalized campaigns. When it comes to creative work, simplified AI is not suitable for this, but later AI it can be used for writing, video, image generation, for example, Sora and Midjourney. When it comes to scalability, simplified AI doesn't scale well across domains, while later AI scales across industries and tasks. When it comes to data requirements, simplified AI uses smaller, often labeled datasets, while later AI requires large-scale and diverse data. When it comes to reasoning, simplified AI uses basic logical rules, while later AI uses reasoning through context but is still flawed. Now, when it comes to explainability, simplified AI is transparent and very easy to debug, while later AI is kind of opaque, black box models. When it comes to bias and safety, simplified AI is easier to control, while later AI is susceptible to hallucinations and biases. And examples of simplified AI, we have ELIZA, Deep Blue, rule-based diagnostic tools. When it comes to later AI, GPT-4, Cloud 3, Gemini 1.5, AlphaFold, and Sora. And when it comes to the era, simplified AI 1950s to 2010s, while later AI is from 2010s and beyond. When it comes to the intelligence type, which is where we're going to stop today, it is simplified AI is narrow, or let's say it has a weak AI, while later AI has broad, stronger AI, not AGI yet. So it's as simple as that.